have you seen those super cool Earth zoom out videos that are blowing up on social media? You know, the ones that start with your photo and then pull all the way back into outer space? Well, guess what? You can make one yourself, totally free, and you don't even need to write any prompts. Here's how it works. First, go to a website called VideoTube.ai. There are other sites like Higgsfield, but this one is still free right now. The link is in the description. Next, just log in with your Google account and instantly you'll get 30 free credits. Pretty sweet, right? Now upload any photo of yourself or whatever picture you want. And here's the deal. Each video costs 15 credits. That means you can create 2 Earth zoom out videos with just one account. After uploading your picture, simply hit generate and let it work its magic. Wait a couple of minutes and boom, you'll have your very own epic Earth zoom out video. Finally, just download it straight to your gallery and you're ready to flex it on your socials. So if you've been wanting to hop on this viral trend, now is your chance. Try it out before it's not free anymore and thank me later when your video blows up.